How to create a newsletter in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own newsletter using your favorite website maker, which is Wix. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. Then you are going only to set up your account. As you can see here, we have connected or signed in into our account. Then you're going simply to select a website that you have created. So for this step, it is mandatory to have a website pre-made. So I'm going to select a website, but before I proceed with this step, I'm going to show you how you can create a website if you don't have one. So you're going to click on create a new site. If you have already a website, then you want to create another site to proceed with the steps. If it is your first time joining Wix, you're going to get this page right there. You have the choice to go with Wix Studio or with the standard Wix editor. So once you are here, we're going to select the website and edit it. Now, as you can see here, we have the loading of the dashboard. Now I'm going to see here that the website is here. Now we have the dashboard. Don't forget to add the payment methods right there on the settings and also the shippings if you own a store. Now let's go ahead and see here for the marketing. We have here the left side menu, which is the control center of all of the dashboard and also the website itself. If you have something to modify here, it will be modified into the website. If you want to visit your website, you're going to click on edit site and you are going to see here the Wix editor open up. So here we are going to head over the left side menu. Then we are going to see here the marketing. Within the marketing, we have a extended menu. We have marketing home, which has or contains the statistics. We have Google Ads, also contain the statistics and also the leads and the promotions. Facebook and Instagram ads, email marketing, social media marketing, referral programs, and discounts. So we're going to click on email marketing. Then we are going to see here, what do we have? Now, once you are on the email marketing, you're going to see here 3 choices. You have here, for example, the choice to promote a product, to promote a category, or to promote a business. So right there, I'm going simply to click on start email from scratch. It will open up here the editor. Now we are going to exit the email editor. Why, you may ask? Because you're going to see here another whole dashboard. And this dashboard will contain the templates. As you can see here, we have the email marketing campaign. This is the draft that we have created from scratch. We're going to see here the automations and etc. So I'm going to click on more templates. Then it will let you see here all the templates that are available. From the basic templates, we have a letter, a newsletter, we have a product page, or an update. So as you can see here, we have some design templates that you can see and also here modify. So let's see here and take a look if we can see here a designed newsletter template. So we are going to drop down or scroll down a little bit until we read template of, or maybe we are going to read something like newsletter. So we are going to see here newsletter, coupon, product, boom, here we have it. This is a newsletter. So we have a lot, so we are going only to choose the most convenient one for us. We're going to use this template since I see it, this is the first template that I have saw. You can go ahead and put here your logo, change the image, click on here. Now we are going to change the image. Let's here go with this one. For example, let's say that this is our logo. Here we have the contents or the component of the newsletter. I highly recommend for you to use Canva to make the designs for anything like a product page, newsletter, and also a checkout page. For example, this image, I have created it using Canva. So this is it. This is the image. Now, let's say that we are going to see here that this is the monthly newsletter. We're going to put here, we are on September newsletter. Check all of our updates. So we are going to put here this title as standard. Then we are going to see here every email has a main message. So we are going to see some modification. Now, let me explain to you how creating a newsletter is going to be. We have here at the left side, we have the add element button. We have the theme modifier button for the fonts, the colors, and etc. We have the background, as you can see here, modifier. So we are going to change the background, for example, like that. As you can see, the newsletter is not going to take the whole space, but the majority of the space is going to be here occupied by the background, for example, like that. You can also customize the inner background. When you click on it, you're going to customize it here. You can go ahead and add a hex code color, a border color, and etc. For example, like that. We're going to put it like this or this one. It is very good. And here we have the possibility to get or generate a AI email. You can go ahead and put the business name, the business type, and the content info. Then it is going to generate an email. Now, we have here the ad. We are going to be back to the ad elements. We have a text area, a image. As you can see, it is a drag and drop here menu or editor. We have a button, a divider. For example, I'm going to put a divider here. And we have HTML code, a product. If you have a product into your page, you're going to add any of these products. For example, I'm going to add maybe a product. So we're going to put it here. It is put already. So we are going to change the place of it like that. So we are going to put it here under the title, or you can go ahead and delete that and just drag and drop it like this. Choose a product, click on add, boom. And we have the product section and the shop now or buy now button. So in order to put shop now, we are going to put here, for example, buy now. So here we have it. We have also columns. You have the logo, which is only one logo added at the header. We have links, videos, subscribe button. For example, we are going to put here a subscribe button. So we are going to put it here instead. So we are going to put here a subscribe button. Here they will be collecting the email addresses, and when you click on subscribe, you're going to get the email collected into your account. So for example, you are going to click on apply. Boom, here we have added the subscribe button. You can add a link and or social media like that. We have those on footer. You can see here that the footer contains those, so you can go ahead and remove those. For the theme, we are going to click on site theme because it will choose the theme of your website that you have. For example, this one, you can use Onyx, Minimal, and etc. I'm going to use this because here the fonts and the colors are chosen from the website that we have. For example, like this, it will give you here all the specific items. Now I can go ahead and set a customization for this specific area. For example, here we have a text column or a text box. You can go ahead and design it and fill it, for example, with a color. So you can go ahead and fill it like that, modify this, and boom. So we are going to click on apply to save everything. Let's say that we are going to, for example, put a design into the background, or here as you can see, the logo panel. So you have here the chosen, as you can see, the size. You can go ahead and put the size of the logo. Here you can go ahead and put the logo like that, the middle, but you are going to add not a square or a rectangle logo like mine, but you are going to add up, for example, a more circular logo and also a transparent background. So now we are going to the backgrounds or the themes. So I'm going to add some images. So let's get here over Canva. Then let's choose some images, or we can go ahead and choose one of the newsletters that we have created. So here we have an example of a newsletter. So all you need to do is to type in here newsletter. Then we are going to click on enter. Once you are here, are going to see here all the templates that are available. So you can go ahead in order to, or in the place to put all of this, you're going simply to add an image. I'm going to give you an example, like we're going to choose maybe this newsletter. So we are going to click on customize. Now, as you can see, we have two pages. The first page, I'm going to download it maybe as a PNG. But before that, we are going to make, for example, some adjustments. Here we are going to put Jack Smith, for example. And here you are going to modify those. Here you are going to modify the date and read more about here. Here we have some random text put. So just I'm going to give you the example on how we can manage that. I'm going to delete all of these unnecessary elements. Writer, I'm going to change by, for example, Jack Smith. Boom. Now I'm going to click on share. Then I'm going to click on download. Here we are going to get the first version of the media as a PNG. So let's go ahead here and deselect all and select only one page. This is the first page. For example, here we are going to get it as a PNG. So we are going to download right there the second image or the second page, but not as a PDF, also PNG. Put it like that, click on download and wait. Once you are here, we are going to wait for it. Boom. Now we are going back to the email marketing, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and here we are going to put, for example, we are going to delete those. So maybe we are going to delete the whole section. We don't need a product. So we are going to let this one. So in here, I'm going simply to add a image. So we are going to add an image. And in that image, we are going to select the ones that we have uploaded or downloaded. So we are going to select the two, wait for it. Then we are going to select each one and put it to the side. So you can go ahead and put, for example, here on the image or for the background, you can go ahead and get the same background here from this one. And then you can go ahead and copy and paste it. It is not very hard to produce that, but I'm going to let it as it is. So let's go ahead and choose the first one. It is processing right there. We're going to wait for it. Just give it a little bit of time. Boom, here we have the first one. And I'm going to add it like this. So as you can see, here we have it added. And then you can go ahead and add the second image, enter it directly. And then we are going to select the second image and it will be put right there. So it is symmetric, I mean, then we have everything set and it is also suitable for this one. So this is how we can add our customizable right there, as you can see. So I'm going to delete the logo. We don't need that. For text area, you can go ahead and delete all of that. So we are going to delete the not necessary ones. So here we have it. You can add, for example, here a title. Go ahead and add a newsletter, for example, or let it white like this. Then when you are going to finish everything, let's say that everything is over, we're going to click on next. And here you are going to manage the contacts or import them from a CSV file or from a platform. or you can go ahead and manage like this, create, manage the platform. Contact, you can go ahead and add or create a new contact. For example, here we have a contact. A little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses, accounts, are created only for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So you are going to see here the contacts. You're going to see them within the platform. So we are going to set up here back to the marketing stuff. Email marketing, you're going to see here the draft of your email. Here we have the second part, which is adding the recipients. So I'm going to add all the members. Click on next. You're going to see here the campaign overview. We have here the subject line. You are going to put it here, for example, our monthly newsletter, like that. If you want to put this as also a preview text, which is very preferable, we're going to put it like this. Sender email, you're going to put here your email and also the reply to email, the sender email or the sender name, the recipients, which is the receiver. Then you are going to click on send now if you want to send it right now, or you can schedule it for later. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.